Valor is an empowering aroma that is used to inspire confidence, bravery, and strength. This powerful blend combines essential oils like black spruce, blue tansy, which is actually the oil that gives Valor its rich ink-like blue color. You can see that it has a really rich blue color on there. We also use frankincense, geranium, and camphorwood. Now, this powerful essential oil blend is also an essential part of Young Living's signature raindrop technique and was also one of our founder Gary Young's favorite essential oil blends. Valor is also available as a roll-on. So how do you use Valor essential oil? Well, you can apply Valor on your wrist or the back of your neck before a big presentation or before a big day at work to help inspire confidence. You can also encourage feelings of strength and courage by wearing it as a fragrance or a cologne throughout the day. If you have a lot going on and you're feeling overwhelmed, overworked, the confident aroma can really help you stay grounded and really help you stay positive and focused. Refresh yourself emotionally by just getting a couple drops of Valor, putting a couple drops into the palm of your hand, rub your hands together, and take a few deep breaths like this. The aroma can instantly help you feel more relaxed, more grounded, and more positive. You can also use this on your children. So this is great to use on your children, massaging onto their shoulders or diffusing it before their first day of school or before new activities to help inspire and encourage an environment of positivity, confidence, and courage. Valor is also very popular to use in chiropractic offices. So put it on the bottoms of your feet before an adjustment, apply it along your spine before or after your adjustment for added benefits. And if you're feeling intimidated by a long to-do list or you have a really demanding day, rub it on your feet, rub it on the back of your neck or along your spine, or diffuse it first thing in the morning to enjoy its positive aroma. And you can also apply it along your temples right here as you say affirmations in the morning for added focus and for added strength. And its aroma, like I mentioned before, is very grounding. It's very positive, so you can incorporate it into your yoga and meditation practices. You can apply it topically or diffuse it while you do your practice of choice. So let us know in the comments below how you use Valor.